Hi, I'm here to talk about your phonological awareness demonstration lesson. I have posted it in Canvas, but I just wanted to talk it through a little bit. So it is in two parts. You're going to answer some questions, and then you're going to demonstrate that you understand how to teach one of the strategies. I will show you where you could find some strategies at the end of this video, but you're going to submit a quick lesson plan about it. You're going to choose one of the areas, whether it be blending, segmenting, rhyming, and you're going to develop a quick small lesson, 5 to 10 minutes max. 5 is fine because they're supposed to be short lessons. um, you're going to demonstrate it. You can demonstrate it using a child. You can demonstrate it using a significant other, have them act the part. Again, pretend that you're demonstrating the lesson that you would be delivering, like I am right now, to an audience, to a small group. So you're going to demonstrate it. It does not have to be with an actual student though. You're going to record it and upload it onto Flipgrid. The code is at the bottom of the page, and you will upload it there. That way everybody can see a few and get a flavor. Again, not to intimidate you, but again, it gives you practice doing it. So you're going to make sure you align goals, clear statement of purpose. I want you to show definite I do, we do, you do. In other words, I do it first. I model it for the student, whatever my strategy is. I have them do it with me, we do, and then I'm going to have them do it. The other thing I would like you to show is that you know how to correct it. So how would your correction be? So if I ask them to go at, and I want them to show me that they're doing it, and they go ah, I'm going to say, nope, let's try that again. Show me, let's do it together again. Repeat it. Ah, ah. I want you to demonstrate a correction also in there so that I will see that procedure. And I want a clear closing. Good job, whatever it is, what words you're going to use. There are some videos uploaded of teachers doing some of the different ones. I think there's a segmenting one. I think there's a blending one. There's some Elkonin boxes out there. I've sent you some links. I'll show you some more where you can find some of these. But I really want you to take some time and 5-minute video. You're going to upload it. We'll take a look at them. For your portfolio, since most of you do not have to take the fort, they want you to be able to, we have to come up with ways for you to demonstrate proficiency, and this is one of the ways we can use one of these videos possibly to demonstrate your proficiency around phonological awareness with this assignment. So that's part of it. Plus, we're going to be doing videos. Possibly, we don't know for next year how we're going to be delivering instruction, so practice. That being said, the lesson is posted. When you do go online, I'm going to show you some places where you could find some of the activities that you might choose. So if you went into, first of all, and let's see if I can move this over in the corner if it's going to work. My internet has been slow since the storm. All right, so one of the places and the best place for you to get some of these routines that you might use to teach is from that Reading Rockets module that I had you go through. So when you get there, you get to it and you get the pretest, and that's what you're supposed to upload for your assignment is a copy of the pretest. Just cut and paste it in, right? And the answers come through, and then obviously the post test is what you're also going to post, right? But the place where you're really going to see the videos is in the in-depth, and I did send them to you closed captioned, and then in practice. So when you got to that in practice portion of this page, here's where you're going to see all of these routines, and this would be one of the routines that you would choose to model or may choose to model. These would be some really good choices. Hint. Um, so if you were to do counting strategies, words make up. So here, again, it's modeled for you. The teacher dictates words in a natural manner, avoiding doing it. So you get the kid to repeat it. So model it, do it together, and then, so segmenting a syllable, the teacher dictates a word, the students repeat the word. Students uses manipulatives to segment the word into syllables or into sounds, phonemes, if that's what you choose, whatever you choose to use. And it gives you a choice of some manipulatives. So say I were going to do this with a student. Let me move you again so I can get to the right spot. Say I was going to use Elkonin boxes, which is a really good segmenting strategy, which is really nice. This has, I could do it with a computer screen if I were going. Sorry, I hope I don't make you dizzy moving you around. So if I were going to manipulate, this is, by the way, on toytheater.com under reading, it's Elkonin boxes. So say I were going to use this, and this was my lesson, I might say, hi, we're going to practice segmenting words into sounds today. So I'm working on phoneme segmentation. So my word, I would model, hi, we're going to first start with the word cat. Watch me. I'm going to sound out cat. K, a, t. Watch me. K, a, t. Again, do it with me. K, a, t. Good. Do it by yourself. Yes, k, a, t. Yes, good job. So that would be how I might model it with a child. And if they made a mistake and said, instead of k, a, t, they said k, at. No, let's try that again. It tricked you. Let's try it again together. Let's do it. K, do it with me. A, t. Again, try it by yourself now. So again, model that correction for me, please. Again, really short, really simple, and hit it as long as it takes you to hit the all the points that you need to hit. Another place you might choose to go is Florida Center for Reading Research. I don't know how many of you are familiar with it, but if you aren't, it's a fabulous free resource available. It's under fcrr.org, Florida Center for Reading Research, a great place to find phonologic, any of the big 5 areas with independent and group work activities. So if you're not familiar with it, you go to FCRR, Florida Center for Reading Research. They have an area when you get there, if you log in, I'm crossing my fingers, it's going to work quickly. Like I said, my computer has been incredibly slow. When you get there, along the top, it is loading very slowly. It's going to have, I'm going to move you again, sorry, my friends, student center activities. So you can decide what level of student center activities you would like. And because we're talking phonological awareness, it's usually finished by the beginning of 2nd grade. So I would focus in on kindergarten, 1st grade student center activities. So if I click on it and it loads, all of these areas, what they have, free materials, wonderful. So you can see they have phonological awareness. I have rhyme. They break it down into rhyme, alliteration, sentence segmentation, syllables, onset and rhyme, phoneme matching, phoneme isolating, all the different areas. So you choose the area you're going to work, and then of course they go into phonics later, which you might want to use for your word work demonstration, which will be similar. So say I was going to use phoneme segmenting and I wanted to look at, say in slide, I can look at these activities and decide if this is something I might want to try with a darling. Again, free activities. This tells you when you see 2 up at the top, it will tell you that it's for partners or for 2. If there was 1, it would be for 1 person to do individually. If there was a 2 and a plus, it means it's for small groups, just an FYI. So a student will work with segmenting phonemes into words. It tells you, gives you all the materials except for the chips. You're going to have to provide those, and it tells you how to do it. And it actually provides visual cards. So it's, again, what you saw me doing. Here it's done a little bit differently. So it gives you different choices. And it will give you a lot. So something like this might be something you want to demonstrate. it's a great place to find other activities and ways to do something. So I've given you some resources. If you have more questions than this, please feel free anytime to contact me, email me. I'm free to Zoom with any of you. I want you to be successful. I hope this helped explain it. Again, this will be very similar to the word work activity that you're going to do also. You will be demonstrating a word work lesson very similar again, so that you have evidence for your portfolio. Take care and have a good night.